59, going to be 9, going to be 9, going to be 60. 60's here. I'm in 60's here. I'm in 60, going to be local man in. I'm in 360, close to me. I'm in 360, quick, done, 1. 61 on in. 61, quick done, finish. 2. 62, going to be too big. 3, 6 and 2. 3, 6 and 2. Done, quick, panic, quick. Sorry, 6, 3, 4. 4. Walk going to be 4 big. I'm in 6, 4. 6, 4, quick. Big, done, 6, 4. Sold. Take it away, RHW and coach. Garrison 2. Thank you very much. Okay, away we go. We got, sorry, mate?
Oh, 13.
Dude. Righto, away we go. On the Mortlake card. Pen number 131 there for you, ladies and gentlemen. At 272 kilos. Little lightweight havers there for you, ladies and gentlemen. Watch that right hook. Righto, fellas. Hey, lovely smart calves, aren't they? But anyway, 360. 360, kilometre 60, got 2, 4, 6, 8. 79, 2, 4, 74, 74, 6, 8, 78, 8, no, 9, 79, 80, 80 dots, same to you 1, 82, we're going to be 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 84, 5, 5 to bed, 6, 6, 187, 2 to bed, 187, going to be 87, going to be 9, 9, 90, 1 to the top we go, 390, 390, going to be 91, 91, 2, 92, going to be 2, going to be 2, 3, 93, 4, 4, 94, 394, quick done, they're going to be a lot of Johnny Mount Gambia. Which number, Andrew? Thank you, Andrew. 44 of those first and right, Michael. Right on number 9, numbers there for you, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit older headers there for you, folks. 10 number 131A, they are 7 there for you, ladies and gentlemen. 387 kilos we are, 387 kilos. Up your weight, little bit older heifers, right on your 4, but those heifers there for them there. 350, 50, 50, 50, have it 40 and go, 340. I think 30 and start, 330, I think 2, 4, 6, on ground, 108, 338, 40, 40 go, I think 2 dots, 4, 44 is here, close to lead, 44, 6, 8, 50 on high, 2, 52, I think 52, going to be 2, Auctionplus in, 54, 55, going to be 4 to be, I think 6, 56, 56, I think 56, I think 3, 5 and 6, you, 5, 6, quick, big, done, 3, 5, 6, thanks, Auctionplus. 208 the number. Okay, on to the next man.